Let's go back to Brush, Curve, Strip Snap. Click on the curve line and check the placement. What about the width and thickness of the belt? Let's change the brush size under Draw menu. Draw size affects the width. Z intensity affects the thickness. I can also use spacebar as a shortcut to change the draw size and Z intensity. Let's try draw size 200, then click on the curve line. Let me quickly adjust it to a desired thickness and width. Sometimes I accidentally moved it when I click on it, so I just need to undo and re-click on the curve line. If it's embedded into the waist, try to thicken the belt using Z intensity. There's another way to raise it above the waist. In the next tutorial, I will use Curve tab under Brush menu to do this.